I'm David Keeler, and today I'm going to show you our line of indirect ophthalmoscopes. As a company, we are best known for our indirect ophthalmoscopes, ever since my father, Charles Keeler, brought out our first one, the Fison, in 1958. And we've been innovating this product ever since. And in 2004, we brought out the first lithium wireless system, which was a revolution. And then we brought out the LED system in 2007. Both these innovations are incorporated in both our Vantage Plus instrument and the all-pupil, which I will be showing you. This is our Vantage Plus instrument, the most recently introduced indirect ophthalmoscope in our range, and it's our top of the range. The Vantage Plus incorporates both the LED and wireless technology. Going through this instrument, we have on the right-hand side the filter range. And we have a blue filter, a regular patch, red free filter, and also a diffuser. The diffuser is particularly useful as a soft beam for using on pediatric patients. On the other side, we have the large and medium and small beams, and the patented, very innovative system that we have attached to the different sized beams is incorporated in the instrument, where the convergence and also the height of the beam is adjusted automatically. So there's no need for a second lever. This means that the examination can be quicker than having to set the instrument with two levers. The other innovation and a patented item that we have is the high-mag lens, which gives you 60% more magnification. And this clips on the instrument in the same way that the teaching mirror does and can be flipped down into the field. The working distance is then reduced, so you do have to come in towards the lens in order to attain focus. But this does give you 1.6 times more magnification. So very useful for highlighting a given area, such as the disc. This can be removed if you don't want to use it. On the underneath of the instrument, you have the PD adjustment, left and right. Also in the eyepieces, you have the standard +2 lenses. The kit also includes plano lenses if you don't require the +2s, which are a standard. Going to the operation of the instrument, you've got the rheostat and on-off on the left-hand side of the instrument, so you have a full range from virtually no illumination all the way through to full illumination. This is our LED. This is a neutral 4000 Kelvin LED as opposed to a xenon bulb at 3800, so the color temperature is very similar now. One of the big advantages about LED is that through the range of illumination, you can actually maintain the color temperature, whereas with a bulb, the color temperature is going to change as you attenuate the bulb. It'll become very warm towards the end. The LED also is extremely durable, and if the instrument is inadvertently knocked ever, if it was a bulb, the filament would probably break. That is not the case with an LED. And the life expectancy here is at least 10,000 hours. One other thing on the front of the instrument is the usual height adjustment, left and right, to adjust the height of the light in the field. On the back part of the instrument, you have the lithium-ion batteries, and it's a very small, lightweight battery now. Our second generation, the previous one was a larger battery, and you also have in the kit a second battery. With the LED illumination, you're going to get 6 hours of continuous use from one charge on this instrument, and so between the two you've got 12 hours of usage. So if you're going to a nursing home, then you could take a second battery as a backup. The battery in the back here and also the instrument itself, when it's stored back in the holder, can be placed on the wall out of the way. And since you have so much power from each battery, you can go all day and more and not have to return it unless you want to the docking station each time. You can just rest it on a surface or put it on a hook within the lane. Within the kit also you have eye cap holders or protectors here. If you are a spectacle wearer, then you would want to use these, and these just go onto the eyepieces. It also comes with a lens cleaner. The plug that operates the docking station is universal. It goes from 100 to 240 volts and is supplied with 4 different plugs for use around the world. The instrument itself is very well balanced because you have slight weight here, so it reduces the forward rotation of the instrument. Overall, it's also the lightest weight on the market. On the inside here, you've got breathable, replaceable liners, so this adds to the comfort of the device. The adjustment for the height and also the distance away from the observer's eyes can be adjusted and then locked out. You can also move the instrument up if you want to talk to a patient, and you can adjust the knobs on the side to any pressure that is suitable, and then the whole instrument could be moved up and down and it will remain where you place it. So that is the Vantage Plus indirect ophthalmoscope, completely encased, streamlined, very modern looking, and the best-selling instrument in the world.